Here's a foot that's ideal to show you how to clean it out. This is where you want to pare and take it down. This is your bars. This is your frog. So what we'll do, this shows you where it needs to be taken off. Now what we'll do, you set your nippers like so and bring them down and cut like that, and then go to the other side and cut until you get them down to where they're open. Now these aren't open as far as they could be. They should have come down a little more like that, and I'll get them down there. You do the same thing on the other side, on the outside, just like that. Okay, your frog's sticking up. You take your nippers and set them right there, and you can tell when you go to take that frog, go to nip, because you can feel it. So you just take that frog down like so. See, now that's a good healthy frog. Now, if you're on the outside on the right front, or you set your knife right here, you pull it up. You pull it all the way up and make your turn like so. See how that opened that heel? Then you take your knife and you work it back and forth till you cut it down to where you need it. See? Like that. On the inside, you take your knife, you set it in there like that, you turn it like so, and just pull it down. We didn't get any red stuff, so we done a good job. These are your bars. So what you can do on the bars, being that you don't have a little thing to do it with, you just take your nippers and nip out the bars. That'll let your heels open up. So that's what I do anyway, to open them. Now I have a little pair of nippers that I use to do the heels with, to open up the stuff, open up the frog. But with you just got your nippers, so that's all you're gonna need. But that's the easiest way to do it. Now this stuff right here is thrush, and it has mycolosis. It's like a little cheese-looking stuff. It's yeast is what it is, like a yeast. And if you don't take that out, that's when you start getting white line. So you want to take that out, if possible, as much as you can. Then put a little copper tox in it. And they all do this. So you want to make sure you clean that out pretty good, and then copper tox it. Because if you don't, you'll start getting white line. And that's where it eats down between the hoof wall and the lamini. Now see how this bulged up here? See how it's bulged? You take your knife and you pare that down, like so. This is what they call a half round or a gouge nipper. So if you got a pair of them, you just use them on there. See? Quit leaning.